Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to our lecture. Thank you very much for taking the time to attend our presentation today. Today we will present the result of our project-based learning that we have completed. In this presentation, we will explain about stock racing game Galeri Investasi Polibatam. To our honorable lecturer, Miss Muti Alfa, our digital marketing lecturer, Sir Muhammad Isan, our business correspondent lecturer, Miss Atikun Nisa, our Dinamika Organization lecturer, Miss Andi Erna Mulyana, our Dinamika Organization lecturer, Miss Sinta Wahyuwati, our Customer Relationship Management lecturer. My name is Erwan Syaputra, with name 4122301001, and I will be introduction the team members. These are my team members. First, Abdul Haki Adido with name 4122301005. Second, Irwan Rizky Cahyadi with name 4122301011. Third, Rico Fuadi with name 4122301020. Fourth, M. Arif Haji Saputra with name 4122301021. And the last, Razik Khalid with name 4122311062.
Previously, permission to introduce myself. My name is Rico Fadi. On the project description slide, we will explain the general description of the project we are running. Galeri Investasi Polibatam is an educational unit and capital market service center established in collaboration with the Indonesian Stock Exchange. To support this goal, the Polibatam Investment Gallery has developed two educational products, namely the mobile application version of stock racing game and the board game version of stock racing game. Next. On the project implementation, the tile slide. We explain how this project was implemented systematically. Project methodology. The CDIO method is used to release the project and achieve the specific output. The SWOT method is applied to analysis the target market and competitors. Project timeline in the first to second week, team formation and inaugural meeting with partners. Next, in the 3 to 4 week, analyzing partner needs, creating the project timeline, and assigning job description and output. Then, in the 5 to 9 week, redesign the product, brainstorming content concept, and developing the product marketing strategy. Finally, in the 10 to 14 week, the content creation and upload, stock racing game, socialization, and prepare of report, poster, and logbooks.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Arif Haji Saputra. Next slide is project achievement and output. Here are the key results of our project. The first, logbook, daily record of our progress and activities. Next, formal report, the official final document summarizing our project result. And next, project poster, a visual summary of our marketing strategy and outcomes. And next, socialization activities, direct activities to introduce our program to the public. Documentary video, a short video to capturing the entire project journey. And next, marketing content, social media posts to increase online engagement. And next, redesign and printing, new visual design and print material for the brand. And next slide, team contribution. Our success comes from clear role and great teamwork. Erwan as leader, lead the team or organize all project activities. Abdul as CRM, analyze audience data to understand customer needs. Erwan as business correspondent, handle all official letter and English documentation. And next, Razik as organizational dynamic. Keep the team in sync and monitor field work. Next, Rico and Arif as digital marketing. Create visual design and manage social media posts.
My name is Irwan Rizky Cahyadi. Now let's take a look to our backlog text. We kick off the project in week 1 by confirming our payable partners, discussing core concept, and consulting with the project manager. Week 2 and 3, we focus on defining the job description for members in semester 3 and 5. We also spend time deeply understanding the game mechanics to ensure everyone knew exactly how the final output should work. Week 4, we synchronize all timelines and begin brainstorming the redesign concept while gathering relevant references. Weeks 5 and 6, we finalized our color palettes and design themes. Weeks 7 and 8, after reporting the overall team progress, we reached a major milestone by submitting the final redesign and other required progress report. Weeks 9, our main focus was finalizing the design and monitoring the printing progress of our paper product. Week 10, we start the content creation process and master the stock raising game app version. Weeks 11 and 12, these were our field weeks. We successfully conducted product socialization. Finally, in weeks 13 and 14, we focus on the completion of all mandatory outputs. As you can see in the status column, every single task has been checked off. This signifies that our project is 100% complete. Next slide. Moving on the next slide, which is our logbook. The first and second weeks were the planning phase. We contact our investment gallery partners and assign a job description. Weeks 3 and 4 were the analysis phase. We conducted a simulation of the stock raising game to understand it. Weeks 5 and 6 were the design phase. We redesigned the stock raising games and set sales target. Weeks 10 until 14 were the implementation phase. We created sales content, conducted outreach to SMK MHS Batam and SMA Negeri 18 Batam in collaboration with IDX Capri to introduce our product, and visited Philips Securities to create content and share information about the stock raising game.
Okay, before we start, please let me introduce myself. My name is Abdul Haki Arido, and in this section, I would like to discuss about our obstacles and solutions. Every project has its own problems, and every problem has its own solution. So, for the first obstacles, our first major obstacles is from the product itself. Mass production of the product is currently unfeasible due to high production costs. And the solutions that we had to solve the obstacles was users or someone who's interested in stock raising game can visit the Polybatum Investment Gallery to experience the board game version in person or play via the mobile APK that available on Play Store. The second major problem is from the administration. Inefficient data recording hindered and slowed our report preparation process. And to solve this, we utilize only the available verified data to prevent any data inaccuracies. Moving to the next slide. Course engagement contribution. There are 4 key major courses that synchronizing with each other for our project. The first one is digital marketing. This course covers campaign strategy formulations like audience and KPIs, digital content production like design and promotional video, and social media distribution planning. And we move into business correspondence. From this course, we learn how to answer professional project communication and documentation in English, focusing on strategic documents, editorial calendars, copywriting, and pitching campaign results to clients. And the third one is organizational dynamics. From this course, we learn how to focus on team management, leadership, and communication during productions, while reflecting on group dynamics and interaction with project partners. Last but not least is the Customer Relationship Management course. From this course, we learn how to provide customer data analysis like segmentation and behavior to inform marketing strategies, content development, and campaign evaluation.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Raj Khalid. We move to learning outcome. Throughout this learning process, we gained a solid understanding of marketing strategies, consumer behavior, and how to evaluate digital marketing performance. We also developed skill in business communication, including creating graphic posters. In addition, we learn how to use data-driven customer relationship management strategies to improve customer retention. This experience helped us improve our problem solving and adaptability skill by overcoming technical and file challenge efficiently. Lastly, we strengthened our cross-functional team collaboration by working together effectively to achieve shared project goals.
That's all the presentation for our group. We open a Q&A session if anyone wants to ask question. We hope the information we share give you a clear understanding of our work, efforts, and direction. And thank you for your attention.